Good afternoon, all of you. And today's my topic circle. I start definition of circle. Definition of circle: a circle is a set of points in the plane that are the fixed distance from a fixed point. Here, a plane and point O is a point, and another point at any plane P, and distance between O to P R. Here, R is the radius of circle, and another point Q, distance between Q to P is D. Here D is the diameter of a circle, and relation between radius and diameter of circle D equal to twice of 2r. Next, circumference of circle. Circumference of circle C equal to 2 pi r, where r is a radius of a circle. We can say that if radius of circle is 7 centimeter, then calculate the value of C. Calculate the value of C. Then C equal to 2 pi r, circumference of circle, putting the value of radius 2 pi into 7 and value of pi, where pi equal to 22 by 7. Then 2 into 22 into by 7 into 7, 7 cancel out. Circumference of circle is equal to 44 centimeters. Is answer. Got it? Here we can say that A equal to pi r square. Now area of a circle A equal to pi r square. Now solving some area based problems. If y the given formula, if the radius of circle is 7 centimeter, then calculate the calculate the area of circle. We can use this formula A equal to pi r square. Now putting the value of radius 7 का whole square 7 का होल स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 7 into 7 and value of pi 22 by 7 into 7 into 7. 7 and 7 cancel out. 7 का multiply 7 to the 14, 7 to the 14 और 1 को ऐड करेंगे तो 15. नेक्स्ट सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. दिस इज द आंसर.